Hello guys, and welcome back to Dondondrone. And today, I will show you Windy Peak Campsite and Retreat Center. This is the entrance to the parking area. A flat screen television. You can rent pool inflatables, hats, card games, and board games. A billiard table, tables and benches, fresh buko juice and meat as welcome refreshments on top of a large serving table. A lounge area with flat screen television, this is the kitchen. Toilet and shower area, kitchen sink and cooking utensils, a big freezer, a fridge, and dining utensils. This is the sunset balcony accommodation, which can accommodate up to 20 persons. Now let's check the camp rooms. This room is good for 3 persons. A window type air-conditioned system, 2 beds and a side table. Toilet and shower room. This is another camp room. This can accommodate up to 10 persons. Toilet and shower room, this is the biggest camp room. It can accommodate up to 18 persons. Toilet and shower room. And then access going to the pool area. This is the pool area. A big cottage. And this is your view from the pool area. Bonfire pit. And there is also a pool basketball court within the fenced area. Windy Peak has a 10-hectare dragon fruit plantation, and you can see them around this area. And that's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. See you in my next video.